out in the heart of Brooklyn. We're about to explore Bar Petit. I'm super excited. Bubble tea and dessert. They have, actually, it's a mixture. Ice cream and bubble tea. So let's see how this is. I'm definitely getting the ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. Woo, woo. Beautiful day. Oh my God, so beautiful. Let's get some of those bubbles. Ooh. Salty with sweet. Oh. Oh, that's like a cookie. This is so comforting. This is such a comforting drink. Joe's drink is more like a wake me up. Mine is more like a I'm chilling. Came through sipping, sip sip. Came through sipping, sip sip. Came through sipping on that party sipping. Ay.